All right, on task card number 3, we are going to simplify, and we're writing our answers in standard form, meaning descending order, highest exponent power first. So on question A, we've got a 12y squared plus 17y minus 4. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it without parentheses. If I'm adding everything inside the parentheses, nothing's going to change about this. So I'm just adding a 9y squared and then minus the 13y, and then adding 3. Now, just a reminder here, we are combining like terms. So I'm going to highlight all of my y squared terms together. This would be what you would want to write first. We're going to combine these two here. Then we're going to combine our y terms. And really, you're just combining the coefficients of these. And then you would combine your constant terms. So the -4 and +3. So just a reminder, I'll do the first little term here for you. But if you are combining the 12y squared with a 9y squared, really you're just combining 12 and 9, and then we know you have y squareds of them. So 12 and 9 would combine as 21y squared, and then you'll do the y term, and then you'll do the constant term. So you have 2 other things here as well. On question B, I'm going to rewrite this without the parentheses. So we would get 3a squared plus 2a minus 2. And then a reminder, we're really subtracting everything that's in this parentheses. So the subtraction needs to kind of distribute to everything. So I'm really subtracting the a squared. I'm subtracting a -3a, which is really adding 3a. And I'm subtracting the 7, so -7. You could also see it as just distributing -1 into all of those terms. Okay. Then again, I will, instead of highlighting it, I'll say we're going to combine the squared terms. So your 3a squared is going to combine with a -1a squared, essentially. We've got 2a, that will combine with 3a, and then your -2 and 7 will combine. On to question C. Without parentheses, we've got a -s squared minus 3. And then we're going to be subtracting everything in that parentheses there. So we are subtracting 2s squared, and we're subtracting that 10s. And then you are combining like terms. So combining really only these 2 terms would be the only like terms. And then we have s to the power of 1, and we have no s's here. And then on to our last question. We have, we'll rewrite it without any parentheses. So we have a 3x squared minus x. We're adding to that a 5x to the power of 3. And then we're adding to that, adding a negative. So I'm just going to put minus 4x to the third plus the x squared minus 8. So you're going to be combining like terms. I would say start with the highest exponent first, meaning we're going to start with the x to the third powers first. And then I would move on to x squared terms, then to the x term, and then to the -8.